Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9. This is where you get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, with news of finally an arrest in the VW diesel cheating scandal. But first, in the US, a New York Fed December survey of consumers showed that short-term inflation expectations rose significantly from November. Labour market expectations generally improved, with an increase in earnings growth and job-finding expectations. Household finance expectations also improved, showing increases in household income and spending growth, and slight improvements in perceptions of credit availability. Expectations about increases in interest rates on savings accounts and in American stock prices rose significantly as well. And in San Francisco, the senior Fed official there said more fiscal stimulus is not needed from the Trump administration. He noted that both the US labour and inflation data shows that the US economy is on track and fully recovered, and what the Congress should do now is tackle the federal budget deficit. Here's something you don't normally hear about. In South America, Paraguay is booming by modelling itself on China's early development strategy. It is picking itself up out of poverty and underdevelopment by becoming a focus for regional manufacturers. Its larger neighbours are growing increasingly uncomfortable, however, especially as they are mired in a bureaucratic recession themselves. In Australia, new data out there shows that the wealthiest suburbs are among the most vulnerable in terms of mortgage stress. For example, the data shows that households in Melbourne's Toorak, where their median house price is $3.5 million, are 5 times more likely to default on mortgage payments than the national average. Residents in Sydney's beachside suburb of Bondi are facing the same financial stress. It's a bit like a fancy car. If you see one, you're probably seeing a highly leveraged asset of a finance company. Back in the US, the FBI has arrested VW executive Oliver Schmidt and charged him in connection with the company's emission cheating scandal. In New York, the US Treasury 10-year yield is lower today, now at 2.38%. Oil prices are about $1.50 lower today too, now just under $52.50 a barrel for the US benchmark, while the Brent benchmark is down $55.50 a barrel. The gold price will start a little firmer today at $1,178 an ounce. And the New Zealand dollar is firmer as well, now at 70.2 US cents. On the cross rates, it's holding at 95.4 Aussie cents. And against the euro, it's up to 66.4 euro cents. And we're at a 2-month high against the British pound, which comes as the UK says it will seek a hard Brexit. The TWI is now at 76.6. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.